Hello students, welcome back to the Alpha Vidya Sankul online classes. Students, today's topic is articles. We have already done it, but today is a practice sessions. We have learned many rules and regulations, but if we don't know how to apply, then that is useless. And where and when we have to use these things, that is very much important. Fill in the blanks using the articles. Now I will give you some exercise. Let us try to find out the answers. The first one, suppose that is very simple. Here this is apple, it is umbrella, I have dog. Students, here you can see here, very simple. Fill in the blanks using the articles a and the. You see we have three options. Among these options, which one is right? Students, according to the rule says that what the rule says, if any blank is here, you have to find out the noun. What is the noun? Or the word pen. Suppose the spelling of pen is P-E-N, pen. Then what will you do? This is, we have to understand two important thing is consonant and vowel. Okay. If the sound comes, this pen, if you try to pronounce the pen, the sound comes pa. The sound pa belongs to consonant sound. If it is a consonant sound, we have to put a. And for the vowels, we have to put n. This is what? For the vowels, we have to put n. And the consonant, we have to put here. And here, that is pen. Then the sound pa belongs to consonant sound. That is why the right answer is A. Here is, I have given already given, sorry. Here boy, the word boy, if we pronounce the word boy and the sound comes ba. What is the ba? Ba belongs to in which group? In which group? Ba belongs to consonant group. Ba belongs to consonant group, then we have to put A. And the next is, this is apple. You know the sound apple, A. A belongs to vowel sound. And that is why we have to put N. It is umbrella. And the word umbrella, when we try to pronounce this word umbrella, the sound comes A. A is an vowel sound. And here the last, I have dog. The word dog When we try to pronounce his dog, then the sound comes da, and da belongs to consonant sound. That is why we have to put a. Here I would like to clear you some doubt. You may remember or forget. Let us try here. Here the letters B, C, D, F, G, H, J, K, L. L, M, N, P, Q, R, S, T, V, W, X, Y, and this Z. Student, C. And the vowel letters, for the vowel letters, how many? Only 5. A, E, I, O, U. Only 5. How many this? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21. 5. 21 plus 5 means 26. You know, in English alphabet there are 26 letters. Here, and for the vowel sound, we have to put N. This is the rule. Here, what is the main problem here, students? Here, if he is honest man, and here students, the right answer will be A, N, or the. Which one is the right? Here the answer is student N. Then you may ask me why. Because this letter honest, this word honest begins with H. H is in which group? H is in which group? It is in consonant group. But here, student, if the consonant is here, for the consonant we have to put A. Then why I put it here N? Because here the H letter is silent. When we pronounce this word, the letter H is silent. We don't say honest. We don't say honest. We say honest. So the H is silent. So if you pronounce honest, the sound come O. Here the O belongs to in which group? Vowel group. That is why the spelling is starting with H, but we skip, and we skip this H letter because it is silent. It is behind the curtain. That is why O. Here you see O. The sound O is here. A, E, I, O, U. O is here. O is in which group? And in which family does he belong? He belongs to vowel family. That is why N is here. So, students, you have to rely on the sound, not the letter. If you see the letter, if you see the words, you cannot decide. It is A or N. How can we decide? We have to read out. We have to speak out. Then, when the sound is produced, then we will know this is vowel or it is consonant. That is how we decided. See one more example. Give me 100 note. Here students, here what is this? O. But here I will put here A. Give me a 100 note. Here again the question arises. What question is arising here? Here 1. Here the letter O. Here the letter O belongs to in which family, and the letter O belongs to vowel family. For the vowels we need to put N. Even though we put here A. Why? What is the reason behind it? Without any reason, without any cause, we cannot keep. Then the answer is here. See. You're right. Here it is O. But I said to all of you, don't rely on letter. You have to rely on sound. First of all, you try to speak out. Okay, now speak out. 1. And say slowly 1. 1. Then the sound comes wa, not O. The letter started, the letter is with 1, O. But when we pronounce wa, wa is W sound. Wa is where? It is W sound. And W belongs to consonant family. W belongs to consonant family. W belongs to consonant family. That is why we have to keep here A. This is O, but the sound doesn't pronounce like O. One more example. Here, that is orange. Suppose here orange. Here we have to say an orange. Here, why? Because this is O and this is also O. But here, when we pronounce, the sound produced is wa. Wa belongs to the consonant group. That is why we have to put A. Here orange. And if we pronounce orange, then the sound comes O. O belongs to in which family? Vowel family. That is why we have to put here N. You see the different words beginning with O and O. This is also O, this is also O. But here A and here N. Because of their sound. So let me wrap this. I'll give you more examples. Here, C is MA. Here, student, C is AMA or NMA. And the right answer is student N. And again, the question arises. The question arises. C is NMA. Why? This is M. The M belongs to in which family? Consonant family. For the consonant family, we need to put A. But I put here N. The question is that I explain again and again, students, we should not rely on the letter. We have to rely on the what? On the sound. Suppose this is MA. MA means Master of Arts. Okay. This is the Master of Arts. Here master, if you sound ma, when if you try to speak out, you have to try out yourselves. Okay, ma, the sound a. If we try to pronounce m, then the sound begins with a, and a belongs to here, a. And what sound is here? A sound. A sound means where? In which family? Vowel family. For the vowel family, we have to put here n. Okay? Then I see students here. I see a sun and sun the sun. Which one is right? Here I have to say I see the sun. I see the sun. But we have learned that if the sun, the sound sa, s belongs to consonant. For the consonant we have to put a. But here for the article the, we do not apply this. And he is totally independent. Okay. And he has different sets of rules. You see, for the article the how, I'm telling you that the first one is if anything that is special, suppose it has no other things like that, suppose, and whatever you see in the sky, the name of the rivers, and here you see the oceans, the mountain ranges, okay, and this type of, and the name of the trends, the newspapers and institutions, in front of them we have to use the. At that time we cannot apply this consonant on a vowel sound. It may be consonant and the vowel, there is no matter. We don't discuss this matter. It is consonant sound or vowel sound. We don't. We need to discuss about this matter. So here I see a sun or I see a sun. No. Here we have to say I see the sun. Suppose if I say Ganga, the Ganga river is in India. Here you see the name of the river. Then don't discuss about G. G belongs to consonant sound and it should be a Ganga. No, there is no two Ganga. Only Ganga is only one, okay, in the world. So such type of the special that has no its different kinds, and that type we have to use what? Article the. The Ganga river, and we will say the Himalayan mountains, the mountain ranges, the Himalayan ranges, here, and the Pacific Ocean, and the names of newspaper, the Times of India, the Times of India, and number 7, it is a trend, the Shatabdi Express, here. And the next is, you see, the name of the planet, the Earth, we can say the Earth, and only all the planets we have to use the students. You can say the stars, the galaxies, and one more thing, the books, you see the sacred books, the Bible, you know, the Bible is the book of Christian, the Quran, and is the holy book of Muslims, the Mahabharata, Ramayana, Mahabharata, the Gita, and all these the holy books, and in front of them we have to use what? Article the. And one more thing for the article the, here I will write a short paragraph. I saw a man, you can say I saw a tiger, or I saw a tiger yesterday. I saw a tiger yesterday. It was very, very big. Suppose if we have to make here the tiger hunted a deer. Has beautiful color. See here, students, we have 3 blank. I saw tiger. Students, here, the tiger, the word tiger, and the starting sound is ta, and ta belongs to consonant family. For the consonant family we have to write a. I saw a tiger yesterday. Okay? It was very big one. Again, here the tiger again. If here a, then here also a tiger hunted a deer. Again, the tiger has a beautiful color. Here if I say again a tiger. Now, what are the mistakes? Can you see? We have committed 2 mistakes here. The number 1 is, this is wrong. It is correct and this is wrong. Among the three answers, two are incorrect. Only one is right one. How? The same word tiger, this is also tiger, this is also tiger, and this is also tiger. The same, but students, if the same noun, the same persons repeats in the story, if we are telling, if we are writing a story, if we are telling a story, the same person or the same thing, any living thing or non-living thing is repeated, at that time don't discuss the sound. Don't discuss the sound. Is it vowel or consonant? If it is repeated, then we have to use article the. Here we have to use what? The tiger hunted a deer. Here also the same way, the tiger had beautiful color. Now your answer is right. Because the question is that the tiger, the first one we have to use according to that. This is a vowel or consonant. Okay, this is the consonant sound, tiger. That is why we put here A. If this tiger, the same tiger, if this is a story of a tiger, if I say A, then there will be three tigers. So I'm not talking about the three tigers. I'm talking about only one tiger. Okay, the same tiger, this tiger and this tiger and this tiger, it is the same. It is only one tiger. That is why we need to write A. And again, if we use any noun is repeated, that time we used article the. This is the rule number 2. This is very important, students. And the next is for the degree. The superlative degrees, before that we use it is, suppose your longest river in the world. In the world. She is the prettiest girl in her class. Ram is tallest boy. Students here, and this all the longest, the prettiest, and the tallest, all are the adjectives. And there are 3 degrees of adjective: the positive degree, comparative degree, and superlative degree. And for the superlative degrees, just before then we need to put article the. We cannot say it is our longest river in the world. And we have to say what? It is the longest river in the world. Why? This is L, longest, la. The la sound belongs to consonant. But we cannot put A. If you put A, it is wrong. Why? The reason is that it is the what? It is what? The superlative degree. Just before the superlative degree, always time. This is not only for this word. And everywhere, if you go America, Japan, Russia, everywhere you go in this world, then you have to apply just before the superlative degree, you have to put article the. That is the fact. Okay, that is the fixed one. It cannot be changed everywhere. She is the prettiest girl in the class. Ram is a tallest boy. No, Ram is the tallest boy. And students, this is also very important rule. So, this small rules you have to learn, and you have to know how to apply this thing. Only knowing the rules and you don't know how to apply it, you don't know how to use it, and that is useless. So for today, let me conclude my lecture. See you in the next video. Thank you.